and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can choose a live photo effect on your phone. So this is what a live photo would like. I'm just going to click on it. If I want to add an effect, I'm just going to click on the picture, and as you can see, there is a live option over here. Click on it, and here are some options you can choose from. This is what a loop would look like. There's also bounce, and there is long exposure. But these are just the effects that you can choose from. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!